y'all, it's your girl. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jakai Samoan, on back with another video. And y'all, today we is finna go to Chattanooga, Tennessee for a little vacation, a little 3-day vacation or whatever. But everything's already packed. It's like 3 o'clock right now, and we leaving kind of late because we had to wait on my mom to get off work. I got my little carry-on bag, I got my other bag, ready to get in the car and get to going. It's about a 2-hour drive, so don't start what?
We're not there yet.
Why you tell me don't start?
Okay, but it's not time yet.
It is time. Mom's finna move her car, so don't nobody try to steal my sketty pack where we're going. And alright. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we stop or when we get there. So yeah. Book. You heard this head off? So we have made it to the hotel, and I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the hotel. It's not much. It's not far. It's just a hotel. So I'm gonna just give y'all a little tour real quick. Outfit of today: shirt from She, shorts from Belks, shoes from Nike. Yeah. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty. Do we have a light in here? Hold on. I'm a little confused. Oh, maybe this is it. Yeah, that's it. So that's the little bathroom or whatever. Got 2 beds. Go. But yeah, this the little hotel room or whatever.
How do you do this?
Y'all, I really don't know where we going, but I just know it is a lot of people out here. It is a lot of people. They got a lot of food trucks. The whole fam.
They go back.
What kind of ice cream? Oh, it's strawberry and red velvet. I would think it would be.
Red velvet, see what I'm saying? Put you down, yeah.
Oh, hold on. I didn't even know it had some little red pieces in there.
Put you down,
I would expect that to be red.
Come on, man. This shit is good.
Is that what is what? Look at Bub. What is he doing? We just got some ice cream from here. I got a butter pecan ice cream. Say hey, yay. Aw. Oh, this literally looks like Atlanta. Like, what is it? Atlantic Station, little part. Then it's another part that look like it. Huh? Huh? Carter, you ain't finna take my phone and run with it.
I'm just walking everybody. Yep, time to go. Yeah, this way.
These folks playing football.
Yeah, you want to run it? I will run similarly.
What are you doing? Mom. Hold on. They're finna run over each other. Hey y'all, so it's early in the morning and we're going to Cracker Barrel and we just made it. Mom. Good morning. But yeah, we're going to Cracker Barrel and I don't know what I'm finna eat. Probably a burger though. But our table is ready, so yeah, and I think we're gonna go to Railroad Incline or somewhere afterwards. I'm not sure. So y'all, I had ham, sausage, bacon, hash browns, what this was, eggs, and French toast. Oh, and I had some biscuits too. And everybody's just eating. Even though we almost done, but I already done ate. Why you worry about me?
Explain what's going on.
Vlogging. Hey y'all, so we're back and we is at the Incline Railroad. It's gonna take don't even start. It's gonna take us in the mountains. Ooh, I'm glowing. The sun.
Oh my God, SIT Caillou.
Oh, I'm getting in the truck.
Stop.
Stop.
In Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Stop sounding like. Stop trying to sound like that.
Railroad, as you can see.
Mom,
We will be back.
why is she talking like this?
What's she doing?
We is at the Incline Railroad. Like, try to.
Have on shoes with it?
This old train.
No, I just said it recommended.
Yeah, recommend it. But yeah, we at the Incline Railroad. It's gonna take us in the mountains. Cause it's some mountains back there, y'all. So
I do not want to be on YouTube. I'm too federal. Get me off of that.
What he say?
he too federal. He 12. That's what it is. That's what it is. Oh, that's go to train right there. And that's what we're gonna be getting on. See, Dad, that's not even bad.
Yeah, you got it.
That's not bad.
You got to go all the way up there.
You scared?
You was driving in the middle of that road and car about to tear your butt up.
You seen it.
He was scared. He was shaking.
You were moving too slow. I'm about to go around you.
You peanutty. Cupid ski.
Yeah.
We is on the Incline Railroad. I'm hot. It's so hot in here, y'all. I know, it seemed like that air was blowing. My bad. We got a little house. The Incline Railroad took us to a little gift shop, and the other train departs in 15 more minutes. So we just looking around the gift shop, get something to drink. They got food too, and they got candy, but we just thirsty, so we can get something to drink. And yeah, y'all, we is at the top of the incline. That is
You can see
the incline that we run. Where? Where the state's at? It's back on the train, and it is at an angle like it's going like this. And as y'all can see, that's everything. And it's like very, very steep. Like it just feel like we finna go down. So. We is at Ruby Falls, and they got this little waterfall right here. Everybody was just taking pictures. We parked in a whole different section. We was not supposed to park where we parked.
I'm trying to get it there by itself.
So yeah, I think this is supposed to be like a little cave thing, and they got lights and all different types of other stuff. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get inside, and I'm gonna show y'all what is all in there. So we in this little gift store at Ruby Falls, and we basically just be waiting on our reservation time to actually go in the cave and figure out what we're gonna do. I'm trying to see what my little these folks over here doing TikToks, y'all. They don't need no one recording them. Look. Y'all, that is funny. They doing a whole TikTok. We in the cave now.
I think we in the ground.
We had to go all the way down the elevator to get down to here. It's no service down here. Let me tell y'all that. Like, it's no service. What's this? It's nice down here. It really costs. Oh, let's go right up. It raindrops, yeah.
Oh, these might be the cake kisses.
Yeah, he said these might be the cake. You heard Bub.
I got
Okay,
one.
kids, he be paying attention on.
Uh-huh.
I got one.
Yeah.
I got one too.
It gives claustrophobic in here.
Mom, I only feel water.
It literally gives
That's what they.
What is this? Oh, an elephant foot. Yeah, it says it. Elephant foot. Look at that. He done ran up through here. But y'all, I'm gonna just pick up the camera if I see something that's interesting that I feel like y'all need to see because it's pretty dark down here. No service, no nothing. So if it's something interesting, I'll pick back up the camera. Water is dropping on me, y'all.
They said it's raindrops. Love drops.
Love kisses. It's some kisses.
Hey, kiss.
Yeah, cake kisses. It's wet in here, y'all. I don't got on no socks.
Oh my God, it's the LED lights.
It's the LED lights for me. Oh, it's water. It's a fish. I can see it on my phone. Like, look. Oh, that money. And somebody said facts. You said facts. Oh, yeah, look. That is so beautiful. Get better now. They turned on the lights. So this is Ruby Falls, y'all. Hey y'all, so we just made it back to the hotel. We visited the Ruby Falls. We had to walk out of there. It was a whole mile back and forth in Ruby Falls. Then we just got ready and we left. Yeah, so we just left after that. And now we're back at the hotel and they are in the pool, y'all. Carter is right there. Can't swim. Kaden, Kia, Mackenzie, and where's Layla? What Layla? Oh, Layla's right here. And Abby. So yeah. Ooh. So yeah, we're just sitting at the pool. Why she be making that face, y'all? I don't know why she looking like that. You?
Oh, hi. I'm at the pool.
She don't even talk like that for real. But yeah, we're not doing much. We leave early in the morning, so this is really gonna wrap it up. But I do think we is gonna go out to eat later on, so that'll probably be the last thing that we do. And then I'm gonna end off the vlog. So yeah, they get in trouble. We at walk-ons.
Put a knife up. Put a
My
knife
car
up.
just hit me. This is the menu.
Abby.
I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm looking through the menu and I'll probably get. They got shrimp tacos, buffalo gator tacos. What else is good now? Look.
Everybody can't see.
I might get boom boom shrimp tacos. I don't know.
Look at boom boom tacos.
Kia, who got you smiling? Oh, this is my food. I got some shrimp tacos. It look good though. But what is that? I thought it was supposed to come with queso, but I guess that queso just look orange.
They can't eat that feel.
No, this is like Kaya, man.
Hey y'all, so I'm back and we went to the restaurant. We ate. My food was okay. It wasn't the best.
But I didn't want those crusty shrimps.
Yeah, his shrimp was hard, so he didn't like his food.
It was in that.
But I had the shrimp tacos, and the shrimp was actually good, but I just didn't like the taco thing with it. So I just ate the shrimp by itself, and I just ate the queso dip that they gave me. But we leave in the morning.
I will miss the hotel.
So, yeah. And it's finna rain, y'all. It sounds like it's finna rain. It's thundering. They was planning on getting in the pool early this morning, but it don't look like that's gonna happen. But it's too much noise going on. So I'm gonna get back to y'all tomorrow morning. Hey y'all. So it's early in the morning and we're packing up and we're getting ready to head back. I look crazy because honestly I just woke up, put on clothes, not even no clothes for real. I just put on something just so we can leave. It's 9:12, y'all. It's 9:12, so yes, we're leaving. I had fun though. Overall experience, I give it an 8 out of 10. I feel like we could have stayed longer, but I did have fun because we stayed out the whole day yesterday, so that was good. Because usually when we come on trips, we do not stay out the whole day. So that's one thing that I'm glad we did, and I'm ready for the next vacation. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Comment on this video and tell me where y'all want me to travel to next. Ooh, see, I got eye boogers and everything. Y'all ain't even tell me. But yeah, tell me where y'all want me to travel to next, and I will give it a try. Because if y'all don't know, I love traveling. I love going places. Oh, I think they closed.
Huh?
They closed.
For good?
Oh no, they've been closed all week.
Oh, just all week? Why?
I'm just traveling.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Me too.
No. Yeah. Subscribe, turn those post notifications, cause yeah, we're out.